TradingView is a powerful free charting platform used by traders worldwide. Here's a beginner's guide to its basic features. Here's a step-by-step guide. Create a free account. Go to tradingview.com and sign up. Search for symbol. Type a ticker, for example, AAPL, BTC USD, EUR USD in the search bar at the top. Change time frame. Click the interval buttons at the top. 1, 5M, 15M, 1H, 1D, 1W, etc. Use drawing tools. Click the left toolbar for trend lines, Fibonacci, rectangles, text, etc. Draw directly on the chart. Add indicators. Click the indicators button at the top. Search and add popular ones like moving averages, MA, RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands. Customize chart. Right-click the chart. Properties to change colors, grid, candles, Heiken Ashi, Renko, etc. Save layout. Click the cloud icon to save your chart setup. Tips: use, compare to overlay multiple symbols, switch between candlestick, bar, and line charts. Watch list on the right helps track multiple assets.